छोलिया हो या लोबिया, सफेद चने या काले चने,
सब कुछ मजेदार बने।
And ladies and gentlemen, there's this ex-actor called Dino Morea, a very controversial guy. His name has come up in many controversial cases. I don't want to go into the details of that. Very controversial. Now, he's been running away from Republic's cameras all day trying to dodge Republic. But the fact is he cannot escape the investigation in a huge multi-crore scam. When we asked him the question, when Meenakshi, a Republic Bangla reporter and anchor, asked him the question, he tried to be aggressive with her. He lost his cool. The fact is, this is a case of Dino dodging. Let's debate.
How do you know Ketan Kadam? How do you know Ketan Kadam received any commission in this case? Was there any political influence?
A 65 crore rupees scam in the financial capital, Mumbai.
Commission मिला? कोई commission आपको मिला?
Involvement of key players and role of actor Dino Morea under lens. The desilting of the Methi River, a crucial drainage artery for Mumbai, is at the heart of a multi-crore scam.
We're following.
Under the radar for his alleged involvement is actor Dino Morea. When confronted, watch how the actor uses abusive language.
Why are you running away? Why are you running away?
I'm not running away, mad or what?
Why are you running away? Do you know why are you not responding to the questions? There were financial transactions between you. There were financial. Guys. There were financial transactions. There were financial transactions between you and Ketan Kadam. Was there any political influence in this case? Dino, would you respond? Dino, was there any political influence in this? Could you respond?
There are some transaction between.
When confronted again inside the Economic Offences Wing office, he smacks Republic's camera.
Is Ketan Kadam is your business partner? Dino, please answer the question. Dino, is Ketan Kadam your business partner? Did you introduce Ketan Kadam to BMC? Did you use any political influence to introduce Ketan Kadam to BMC? Dino? There are some transaction between you and Ketan Kadam. What is your answer? What is your answer on that? Dino, what is your answer on that?
So what we're going to do is you go first.
Is Ketan Kadam your business partner?
Another key player in the case is Ketan Kadam. The main accused in this scam are Ketan Kadam and Jay Joshi, who are accused of committing this economic crime in connivance with the officials of Matprop company and some employees of BMC.
Is Ketan Kadam is your business partner? Dino, please answer the question. Dino, is Ketan Kadam your business partner? Did you introduce Ketan Kadam to BMC? Did you use any political influence to introduce Ketan Kadam to BMC? Dino? There are some transaction between you and Ketan Kadam. What is your answer? What is your answer on that? Dino, what is your answer on that?
So what we're going to do is you go first.
Is Ketan Kadam your business partner?
Dino, how do you know Ketan Kadam? Dino, how do you know?
According to sources, there have been several conversations between Dino Morea, his brother, and the main accused of this scam, Ketan Kadam.
Dino, how do you know Ketan Kadam? Dino, how do you know Ketan Kadam? You received any commission in this case? Was there any political influence in this case? Did Aditya Thackeray help you? क्या आदित्य ठाकरे commission मिला? कोई commission आपको मिला?
Not running away, mad or what?
Under the scrutiny of the Economic Offences Wing are the call records between Dino Morea and main accused Ketan Kadam. Actor and model Dino Morea and his brother Santino were for the second time in 3 days questioned by the Economic Offences Wing of the Mumbai Police. Shiv Sena says that contracts of the case were given by Uddhav and Aditya Thackeray.
मुंबई पुलिस ने दीनू मोरिया को बुलाकर लगभग 8 घंटे तक उनकी जांच की, उनसे पूछताछ की। लेकिन दीनू मोरिया और आदित्य ठाकरे के जो संबंध हैं वो पूरे मुंबई को पता है। दीनू मोरिया जो नशीली दवाओं के व्यापार में है, जिस पर आरोप लगता रहा है, ऐसे ड्रग पेडलर और ड्रग ट्रेडर के बीच के साथ आदित्य ठाकरे के संबंध का क्या अर्थ है, इसकी छानबीन होनी चाहिए।
With allegations flying thick and fast, should the Thackeray's face questioning too?
And ladies and gentlemen, the person going hammer and tongs against Dino Morea is Sanjay Nirupam. Ladies and gentlemen. Sanjay Nirupam, now we saw your press conference today. Sanjay Nirupam is a Shiv Sena leader, very prominent leader in Mumbai, earlier with the Congress. You've gone hammer and tongs on Dino Morea, but it seems to me you're going hammer and tongs more on Aditya Thackeray. Who is your target here? Why are you bringing in Aditya Thackeray in a case where Dino Morea is being questioned?
I'm not targeting any particular person. I'm raising a fundamental issue of Mumbai. The issue is related to rains. जब भी मुंबई में मॉनसून आता है, बारिश होती है, तो मुंबई पूरी तरह से डूब जाती है। कारण दो होते हैं। एक तो क्या नालों की अच्छे ढंग से सफाई नहीं हुई, मतलब जो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है वो कहीं ना कहीं चोकअप था जिसकी वजह से पानी नहीं गया। दूसरा, मीठी नदी। 2005 के 26 जुलाई में जब भयंकर बारिश हुई थी मुंबई में, मेरे ख्याल से तब आप भी मुंबई में थे, तब आपने देखा होगा कि मीठी नदी में एक जबरदस्त बाढ़ आई थी। उसके बाद से मीठी नदी की सफाई का काम शुरू हुआ और मुंबई के लोगों को बचाया जाए, कभी बारिश में तकलीफ न हो, इसके लिए जरूरी कि मीठी नदी पूरी तरह से क्लीन हो और उसके डिसिल्टिंग हो और उसकी वाइडनिंग हो। 1200 करोड़ रुपए पिछले 20 वर्षों में 2005 से लेकर 2022 के बीच 1200 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए जा चुके हैं, लेकिन अभी तक मीठी नदी की सफाई नहीं हुई। इस बीच मुंबई पुलिस के इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफेंस विंग ने एक एसआईटी गठित की गई जिसमें 65 करोड़ का एक स्कैम पकड़ा गया है और उस स्कैम में दीनू मोरिया नाम का एक फिल्म एक्टर है, उसका नाम निकल के आता है कि वो एक बीच का जो मिडलमैन था, दलाल था, केतन कदम, उसके साथ ही वॉज इन टच विथ हिम और कॉन्स्टेंटली ही वॉज इन टच विथ हिम। इसमें भी कुछ गलत नहीं है, एक संयोग हो सकता है, लेकिन आगे दीनू मोरिया को बार बार बुलाया जाना और उसकी कोई भूमिका है क्या ये पता लगाना। उसके बाद दीनू मोरिया और आदित्य ठाकरे की जो दोस्ती है, जो रिश्ता है, वो पूरे मुंबई को पता है। दिशा सालियन का जो डेथ हुई है उसमें इन दोनों के ऊपर आरोप लग चुके हैं और कहा जाता है कि दिशा सालियन जिस दिन कथित तौर पर सुसाइड कर रही थी उस दिन उसकी पार्टी में दोनों साथ में थे। इससे पहले भी बहुत सारी पार्टियां साथ साथ करते रहे हैं। ओपन जिम इन दोनों ने मिलकर खोला था और दीनू मोरिया को उन्हें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दे रखा था। तो अब हमें पता लगाना है कि पिछले 20 वर्षों में मुंबई में महानगर पालिका ने जो भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिए वो निश्चित तौर पर सारे के सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बगैर मातोश्री के परमिशन के नहीं दिए जाते थे। उद्धव ठाकरे और आदित्य ठाकरे जिस कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को माने ग्रीन सिग्नल देंगे या जिस कॉन्ट्रैक्टर से उनके पास कुछ ना कुछ एक तरह से एक फेवर आएगा, उसी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलता है। तो निश्चित तौर पर जो 18 कॉन्ट्रैक्टर मीठी नदी की सफाई के लिए फाइनल हुए, उनमें सारे के सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फाइनल करने में इन दोनों बाप बेटों का मेजर रोल है। तो क्या इस प्रकरण में भी जो 65 करोड़ का एक स्कैम है जिसकी छानबीन हो रही है, क्या इसमें भी दीनू मोरिया चूंकि उसका दोस्त है, तो क्या आदित्य ठाकरे की कोई भूमिका है? इस भूमिका की जांच होनी चाहिए। दीनू मोरिया के पास इतने ज्यादा पॉलिटिकल क्लाउड्स नहीं है कि वो अपने दम पर कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फाइनल करा सकता है। हां, वो आदित्य ठाकरे से उसका जो रिश्ता है, उस रिश्ते का दुरुपयोग करके, उसका मिसयूज करके, उसका फायदा उठाते हुए वो निश्चित तौर पर अपने लोगों को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिलाया होगा। और जो जिस कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के बारे में, जिस दलाल के बारे में सारी चर्चा आ रही है कि उसके साथ दीनू मोरिया वाज इन कांस्टेंट टच विथ हिम, एंड दीनू मोरिया ने कहीं ना कहीं इस पूरे के पूरे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को प्रभावित करने की कोशिश की। तो क्या उस पूरे प्रक्रिया में आदित्य ठाकरे की भूमिका है, आदित्य ठाकरे से जो उसका संबंध है, उस संबंध का उसने कोई नाजायज फायदा उठाया, इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए। तो दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव डिमांडेड फ्रॉम SIT ऑफ मुंबई पुलिस, दैट प्लीज लुक इनटू द मैटर whether आदित्य ठाकरे हैज टू डू anything with this case, and whether he has played any role in awarding contract to these scamsters.
So you're saying he's a front for politicians. I'm also surprised. How is this film actor? He's not even a film actor. He's some B-grade film actor. How is he getting all these contracts?
I don't know. He's a B-grade film actor. He's a flopped model. He's a drug peddler. And I don't understand why Aditya Thackeray is so much close to him. Such a person who is known for drug peddling in Mumbai.
How can you say that? I mean,
That may be his personal life, that
how
may
are
be
you
his
calling him a
personal
drug
choice.
peddler? That is,
That may be his
that's
personal
not a
choice.
substantiated charge that you're making. It's a serious allegation you're making against him. A very serious allegation. You could be sued for defamation.
Arnab, there are so many things which cannot be substantiated, but in the society of Mumbai, everybody knows it. Everybody is aware of the fact that Dinu Moria type of people are into this thing, and they are basically supplying these things to जो बड़े बड़े लोग होते हैं शहर में, जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बड़े बड़े नाम होते हैं, या पॉलिटिकल भी हो सकते हैं। तो माय पॉइंट इज यू कैन हैव योर पर्सनल चॉइस टू हैव योर फ्रेंड, बट are you, being a politician, being a powerful person, being a person in power, using your contact to benefit your personal friend? That has to be investigated, and that is where I'm free to raise a question.
Yeah, you're raising a very serious question. Kishore Tiwari of the Uddhav Sena is here today. Kishore Tiwari, you know him, Sanjay Nirupam. Sanjay Nirupam is a very senior leader.
Don't put it to debate.
No, I'm not putting. But I want to hear his point, then I'll come back to you. Is that all right? At least I want to, our viewers must know both sides. See, what is happening, Sanjay, is that most channels are trying to kill this story. You know, the problem with news channels in our country is also, Sanjay, they are starstruck. Even a B-grade, C-grade, D-grade actor, they are starstruck. They won't ask questions. We are the only ones asking questions. That's why we're very popular in Mumbai also. The visuals are revealing. I'll show the whole sequence today when our fantastic anchor from Republic Bangla, we're so proud of her, Meenakshi, runs behind him. और वो लास्ट में जाके अटैक करता है मीनाक्षी को. वो ऐसे करके, the lady anchor, he pushes her. He almost hits her. If I show you the visuals, you see his arrogance. This arrogance cannot be allowed. Right? And Kishore Tiwari, is there any connection between Aditya Thackeray and Dino Moria? I don't know. Is there? Sanjay Nirupam says there's some connection out here. Because of his connections, he used to get contracts of all types. Is there not a conflict of interest here?
Sanjay Nirupam's allegation I have heard, and I have seen his press conference also. He has initially clarified that he don't want to have a debate over it. But Arnav, you are running the show. Your show is carrying these serious allegations. I request Sanjay Nirupam, because Sanjay Nirupam is basically activist. From journalist, he was an editor. Then he became a member of parliament. Initially from the Shiv Sena.
Come to the subject. He has made an allegation. To be fair, I'm asking you to respond because you're from Uddhav Sena.
I am responding. I'm responding. Last 3 years, Shiv Sena, which Sanjay Nirupam is a part of it, they are in power. The investigation were called by Uddhav Thackeray self. And the investigation is going on. If there is a single evidence against Aditya Thackeray, I will request Sanjay Nirupam to approach Deputy CM or CM Devendra Fadnavis. If he has any some issue with contacting Devendra Fadnavis to expedite the whole inquiry, I will help him.
Is that sequence there?
Arnav, you always run an agenda against Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, against corruption and all these things.
Kishore, I don't give a damn about Aditya Thackeray, to be very honest. It is just because he mentioned it. I'm a fair journalist. I give you a chance to. He's not a significant enough leader for me to speak too much on. He's not a significant. Come on. Even Uddhav Sena is not significant, and then also, what is his achievement? He's not significant for me to comment on. He's not significant enough for me to comment on. But I want to show my people, my viewers, the clip of. Sanjay is saying something. Sanjay Nirupam is saying something. Sanjay Nirupam is saying something. Sanjay Nirupam is saying. Sanjay Nirupam, go on.
Arnab, you wanted to. Arnab, आपका क्वेश्चन ये था कि क्या आदित्य ठाकरे और दीनू मोरिया के कोई संबंध हैं? I think you wanted to know this.
That is the only question.
मैं आपको कुछ फोटोग्राफ दिखाना चाहता हूं, अगर आप जूम कर सके
क्या
तो करिएगा।
फोटोग्राफ है?
हाँ, तो एक तो ये दीनू मोरिया आदित्य ठाकरे दिख रहे हैं, अब जूम करना चाहे करिए कैमरा वाले लोग। और दूसरा फोटो ये देखिए, ये दीनू मोरिया और ये
मुझे I have the photographs in my hand.
अच्छा, ये देखिए,
I have the photographs in my hand. There are some photographs. These are the photographs you have shown in your press.
तो आपका जो
Arnav, I would like to add. Arnav, I would like to add.
आपका जो प्रश्न है,
ये क्या है?
एक मिनट, आपका जो प्रश्न, अर्नब,
Let him answer. Sanjay, please. Yeah, Sanjay.
अर्नब, आपका जो प्रश्न है कि क्या आदित्य ठाकरे और दीनू मोरिया का कोई संबंध है, तो बिल्कुल इसका जवाब है यस, और उनके बहुत घनिष्ठ संबंध है। घनिष्ठ संबंध उनका निजी मामला हो सकता है, मुझे इस पर बहुत ज्यादा ऐतराज नहीं करना है, लेकिन क्या उन संबंधों का दुरुपयोग मुंबई के मीठी नदी के सफाई में घोटाला करने में हुआ है? यह एक बड़ा विषय है। मेरे पास सबूत होता तो मैं लेकर खड़ा हो जाता। मैं क्या कह रहा हूं? मैं कह रहा हूं जब एसआईटी जांच कर रही है दीनू मोरिया के रोल की, तो लगे हाथ आदित्य ठाकरे की भूमिका की भी जांच करे, उनको भी बुलाए, उनसे भी पूछताछ करे और पता लगाए कि मुंबई जो मीठी नदी के एकदम भर जाने की वजह से पूरी तरह से तबाह हो जाती है और लोग परेशान हो जाते हैं, उस मीठी नदी की सफाई न हो या उसमें घोटाला हो, इसमें आदित्य ठाकरे और उनके
किशोर,
ये मुंबई के लोगों के सामने स्पष्ट होना चाहिए।
बिल्कुल। किशोर, 10 seconds to respond.
Give me a fair chance.
10 seconds. I don't have
to
time.
allow me to speak. अर्नव, मेरे को बात करने देना। आपने क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हो? एक तो मैं अभी बता रहा हूं, संजय भाई मेरे मित्र है, मैं उनकी इज्जत भी करता हूं। संजय भाई, आपके पास सबूत हो तो भी, अगर सबूत नहीं है आपके दीनू मोरिया के पास खिलाफ, आपके पास सबूत हो, कदम से उसके कनेक्शन के
anyway, देखिए वो सब I'm sure he will show. I want to only show you viewers just a video, 30 seconds of that video at the end, when Dino Moria is running. जैसे भाग रहे हैं ना, एक किशोर जी, जैसे संजय निरुपम, the way he runs, he looks very scared. Can I show the clip before I go into a break? Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dino dodging. I'm showing the video so you judge for yourself whether this ex-actor Dino Moria is hiding something or not. You can judge. The case is being investigated. Here's a clip, and then I'm going to come back with my 9 o'clock debate on Bangladeshis being thrown out. Here's a clip.
Is Ketan Kadam is your business partner? Dino, please answer the question. Dino, is Ketan Kadam your business partner? Did you introduce Ketan Kadam to BMC? Did you use any political influence to introduce Ketan Kadam to BMC? Dino? There are some transactions between you and Ketan Kadam. What is your answer? What is your answer on that? Dino, what is your answer on that?
So what we're going to do is, you go first.
Is Ketan Kadam your business partner? What do you say on these serious allegations against you, Dino? Can you say something? Dino Moria?
दादी के हाथों का जादू और खुशबू से महकता घर, माँ की मुस्कुराहट और खाने की सुगंध। MDH गरम मसाला,
क्योंकि हर रिश्ता है स्वाद से जुड़ा।